In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your videos using Clipchamp, a user-friendly video editing tool that simplifies the whole process. If you've ever wondered how to efficiently get your polished videos ready for sharing, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to Clipchamp. If you haven't done so already, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Clipchamp website. Clipchamp is a fantastic platform that offers a wide range of video editing features, making it an excellent choice whether you're a beginner or more experienced with video editing. Once you're on their site, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Now that you're logged in, it's time to look at your media files. Head over to your media library within Clipchamp, where all your video projects reside. This is where you'll choose the specific video that you want to export. Once you've selected your desired project, look for the Export button. This is usually easy to spot, often highlighted or located in a prominent area of the interface. Click Export, and you'll be taken to a new window where you can choose the desired export settings. At this step, Clipchamp gives you the flexibility to select the quality of your export. You might see options like 480p, 720p, or even 1080p, and your choice will largely depend on how you intend to use your video. If you're aiming for a professional appearance, a higher resolution like 1080p is ideal. Keep in mind that higher quality videos will take up more storage space and might require more time to export, but they'll look crisp and clear, especially if you plan to display them on larger screens or professional platforms. On the other hand, if you're looking to save on storage, a lower resolution could suffice for simple sharing or smaller devices. Once you've made your choice, simply hit the Export button, and Clipchamp will begin the process of rendering your video. Depending on the size and quality, this could take a few minutes, so be patient and try not to navigate away from the page while it's working. After the export is complete, Clipchamp will notify you, and your video is now saved and ready for use. You can download it directly to your local device or share it on your preferred social media platform. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your video with Clipchamp. Now you're ready to share your creativity with the world. Whether it's a fun project, a business promotion, or a personal memory, you're equipped to make an impression. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy editing.